Mr Tumble, are you ready to paint your picture now?
Oh, hello. Yes, I'm ready to paint my picture. Woohoo! Now, I've got some paper, I've got some brushes, and I've got lots of paint. Now, I need this brush first. Oh dear! I've spilt all the green paint. I'll use this.
It looks like grass, Mr Tumble.
Oh, yes! It does look like green grass. I'll just...
Careful, Mr Tumble. Your sponge is dripping.
Oh, yes, it's dripping yellow paint. What?
Put it on the paper, Mr Tumble.
OK, I'll pop it there.
Uh-oh, Mr Tumble. I think you need to start again.
Oh, yes. I need some new paper.
It's there, under the paint, Mr Tumble.
Oh, thank you. I'll get it.
Oh dear, Mr Tumble. Now you've got paint on your fingers.
Yes, look, they're all colourful.
Why don't you wipe your fingers clean on the paper?
Oh, good idea. Right, I'll just wipe them like that.
Now, why don't you wash your sponge, Mr Tumble?
Oh, good idea.
Look, Mr Tumble.
What is it?
You've already made a lovely picture.
Hey? What?
It's a rainbow over a flowery field on a sunny day.
Oh, yes, you're right. It's a rainbow over a flowery field on a sunny day. Woohoo!
You're very good at painting rainbows, Mr Tumble.
Well, I know. Hello, and thank you for watching. Keep watching my channel because there are lots of new things to see every week. Wait.